In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with lovable.dev and GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project in lovable.dev, jump to its linked GitHub repository, and download the code as a zip file for safe local use or sharing. Start by opening lovable.dev and navigating to the project or application you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and the right project, especially if you manage multiple apps. Once the project loads, give the interface a moment to sync any recent changes so what you export matches the latest version you see on screen. Next, look to the upper right corner of the lovable.dev interface for the GitHub logo. This is your shortcut to the repository connected to your project. If you're not signed in yet, lovable.dev will prompt you to log in to GitHub and authorize access. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your GitHub account to this project. After you're signed in and connected, select the repository shown there. Clicking it will open the GitHub repository page in a new tab. If you manage several repos, double check that the name matches the project you opened in lovable.dev before you proceed. On the GitHub repository page, locate the green code button near the top of the file list. This button opens a menu with different ways to access the repository. Before you continue, glance at the branch selector just above the file list to confirm you're on the branch you actually want to download, usually main or the branch you've been working on. This helps ensure the zip file contains the version of the code you expect. With the code menu open, choose Download Zip. GitHub will package the current branch into a single zip archive and your browser will start the download. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where to save the file, or it may go straight to your default downloads folder. Keep an eye on the download progress, especially for large projects, and make a note of the file name so you can find it easily later. That's all there is to it. You opened your project in lovable.dev, used the GitHub shortcut to reach the connected repository, clicked code, and selected download zip to get your project files. Congratulations.